Hey guys, let's understand this problem on surface area of a sphere. This problem here says, assuming Earth to be a sphere of radius 6370 kilometer, how many square kilometers is the area of the land if 3/4 of the Earth's surface is covered by water? So let's understand this statement here. You know that it is saying that we are assuming Earth in the shape of a sphere. Now what we'll do, let's divide this into 4 quadrants, in which 3 quadrant, these 3 are filled with water. These 3 quadrants are occupied with water. And this is used as land. Now you know that area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. Surface area of Earth. And you know that Earth is in the shape of sphere, so its area will be 4 pi r square. But surface area of Earth's land will be 1/4 of 4 pi r square, because only 1/4 of the sphere has been used as land. So 4 and 4 will get cancelled out and you will be left with pi r square. You know the value of the radius of this Earth, which is 6370. Let's put this value here. When you solve this, on evaluation you will be getting 127327.4 kilometer square. So this is the area of the land. So I really hope there should be no doubt. What we have done here, we have calculated the area of this land. I will be taking more problems in the coming video lectures. Thank you.